Hello, welcome to this Funnel Mastery Marketing Workshop. My name is Joshua Brown, and in this training course, I will show you how to set up, manage, and automate your own internet marketing funnels. I'm very grateful for being able to share my knowledge on funnels with you throughout this training. Discovering how to implement successful sales funnels has been an absolute game changer for me and all the companies that I work with. As an entrepreneur, it's likely that you're already implementing or utilizing some sort of funnel if you're currently selling products or if you're collecting leads, right? For example, if you're currently getting traffic from social media and sending people to your e-commerce store, then that in essence is a small sales funnel. Throughout this training course, we're going to look at how we can plan and implement a sales funnel that brings in high quality traffic, nurtures our leads and our customers, and in turn increases our conversions and the lifetime value of our customers. And I'm sure you're already aware, as a business owner yourself or an entrepreneur, but that's such an important metric, right? The lifetime value of our customer. Just by setting up a very basic sales funnel, we can increase our lifetime value of our customer by, say, just £10. And if we get one customer a day, over the year, that's an extra £3,650. So you can see there's a lot of value in nurturing our customers through a funnel. And regardless of whether you have any prior experience, by the end of this course, you'll be able to set out and make your own high converting funnels using the tried and tested strategies that are working right now. Now, a couple of course preliminaries before we get straight into it. A very warm welcome from me and to your course. I've divided this course up into a number of different modules to make it easier for you. Of course, if you want to watch the course from beginning to end, please feel free to do so, but my advice is to take regular breaks so you can absorb all of the content. You have a copy of these course slides in your members area that you can download straight away and refer to, but a great way to learn is to be able to take notes in addition to these slides. And one of the reasons I suggest this is because in addition to the slides, many of the practical elements of this course, such as building a landing page and ClickFunnels, it's all going to be shown via video demonstrations, and there are many of these throughout. So you'll want to take lots of notes during these. So let's take a look at some of the course aims. So during this course, we're going to take a look at what sales funnels are and why you must implement them into your online business. How you can understand your customer journey and what they want to buy from you. The sales marketing funnel system that generates 24/7. How to get traffic the easy way online and importantly for free. Using free traffic sources to create engaging content that turns traffic into your leads. And this is really important. We're going to turn traffic into high converting leads. The only type of paid ads you should use and the system of how to set them up and convert right away. So we're going to take a look at Facebook ads later on during the course and how we can use those to really target our specific audience and niches so we drive in high quality leads into our funnel that then converts again and again. The essential software and platforms every online marketer needs. How to create a lead magnet that the new prospect can't resist. The automated email marketing blueprint to turn leads into paying customers while you sleep. How to get customers to become repeat buyers and increase their average spend every time they buy from you. The simple emails to sell any product or service. Turn your customers into your brand promoters and get even more customers. And how you can create high converting landing pages using this landing page. So I'm going to show you step by step later on today how to make a landing page that we use throughout our businesses that converts really well. I'm also going to share the cheat sheet to get people to sign up to your marketing or buy from you. Shopping cart funnels and how they can double your sales. A live walkthrough of creating your first landing page in minutes. We'll also take a look at the sneaky tricks that your competitors don't know and discover the future of online marketing, which is Facebook funnels using Facebook Messenger. So we're going to cover all of that through these different modules. So in module 1, we're going to look at what a sales funnel is, at why you should have a sales funnel, example of different ones that are out there already and that people are using, and the importance of understanding the customer journey. Okay, should we look at it as a sales funnel or should we look at it as our customer's journey? So we'll have a look at that together. In module 2, we'll then look at the funnel system. We'll have a look at the diagram, which you can use in your own business again and again and again to map out your own customer journey, your own sales funnel. We're going to have a look at how to splinter products, at creating your own funnel action plan. And in module 3, we'll have a look at traffic, where to start, where do your audience hang out online, the quick traffic wins. We'll have a look at blogging, YouTube, Facebook ads, and also LinkedIn. We'll then move into module 4, where we'll look at the lead magnet. We'll take a look at what a lead magnet is and how to create a high converting landing page to attract those leads. We'll then cover the landing page checklist. We'll have a ClickFunnels demonstration where we'll run through step by step of building the landing page. And then we'll have a look at how we can set up our first email as well. In module 5, we'll take a look at the tripwire. We'll have a look at what a tripwire is, examples and inspiration. We'll also again go back into ClickFunnels and set everything up and show you how it all connects together to create this funnel series that's all automated. We'll then have a look at the tripwire landing page checklist as well and how you can promote your tripwire. We'll use 3 simple emails that consistently sell to do this. In module 6, we'll take a look at the core product offer, what your core product offer should be, additional landing page tricks, and also a case study. We'll then look at how to sell your core product using our 5-day offer campaign. I'm really excited to share that with you. It's an email blueprint campaign, and I'll share with you exactly what we do to get that to work really well. And then module 7, we'll look at maximizing our profits. I'll then demonstrate how you can use surveys to filter out your customers that are most likely to buy your high ticket item. Module 8, we'll then look at brand promoter, so how to turn your customers into brand promoters, and how you can also get referrals and how you can utilize reviews. In module 9, we'll look at something really exciting, which is Facebook funnels, something that's very underutilized in the marketing world at the moment, but something you'll definitely want to get on board with. So we'll have a look at the powerful benefits of using Facebook Messenger, the tools you need to use it, and an example Facebook Messenger funnel blueprint that you can copy and implement into your own business. In module 10, we'll then look at shopping cart funnels and how you can upsell at your shopping cart, so how you can increase your customers' average order value. And by doing this, you can literally double your conversions. We'll have a look at some case studies around that as well, the tools you need to do it. And again, we'll jump into a demonstration where I'll show you how you can create your own shopping cart funnels in multiple platforms. So before we dive into all of the modules, just a little bit about me and who I am. So I am a tutor for the Internet Business School. I'm also the managing director and shareholder at a publishing company called How to Become. I actually joined the publishing industry in 2013, and I started out as a packer and admin assistant. So I was just packing books into jiffy bags, and then I was just sending those out to customers. But the founder of the company, of How to Become, did something really clever. He got me to write a book. By doing this, I got to understand the whole publishing process. And when I had that book out published in my hand, I was full of enthusiasm and excitement, and I didn't want that to end, right? So I channeled all of my energy and all of my focus into marketing. So I put all of my energy in how to market my book. I attended seminars, I brought training courses, I traveled the world to different places such as America to attend digital marketing seminars and conferences. I did everything I could to learn about marketing and how to sell online. And alongside the mentoring that I received from the founder of this publishing company, I was able to implement those strategies into my own book marketing, but into the book marketing for that company as well. And I was able to quickly move up the ranks. And in 2017, I became the managing director of that company. Now, using the marketing strategies that I was learning and that we were already implementing at this company, which were quite advanced strategies to begin with, they were very internet focused, we're very much a digital based company. We won an award in 2016, the IPG's Nielsen Digital Marketing Award, which is a national award. We're super proud to win it. You can see there I am up on stage collecting the award. And we won the award again in 2017, something we're really proud of. And I'd been implementing lots of these marketing strategies that I'd been learning. But what was the real game changer here was how I viewed these strategies. I stopped viewing them as individual marketing strategies, and I started viewing them as one piece of a bigger puzzle, right? A sales funnel. I looked at how they could all connect together, and by joining them together, made them a much more powerful process that enabled us to nurture our customers and make a very predictable system for selling. So by doing that, we won the award again actually in 2018. You can see there I am collecting it with the team that we've been able to build up around me as well. We're very much in the full swing of things there now, and I also work with a lot of other companies and businesses now doing the marketing for those companies as well. It's something I very much enjoy. It's a massive passion of mine. And I was able to win the IPG Young Publisher of the Year award for these marketing efforts. So hopefully as we get through this course together, you'll see that I'm full of enthusiasm. I really love what I do. And everything I'm going to share with you today is tried and tested formulas. It's actually stuff that I implement in my own businesses day in and day out. This is the stuff I know that just works, and I've just taken out the best stuff and I've broken it down into a very easy format for you guys to learn and follow as we go through, so you can build your own funnels with ease and you know they're going to work from the get-go. So as you can guess, the key to all of this success is funnels, right? That was the game changer for all of this. It was looking at the sales funnels, and it was actually changing the way I look at a funnel. A very basic funnel, like I mentioned earlier on, if you just have a sales page at the moment and you're directing traffic to that sales page just to get sales conversions from there, that's a very basic funnel, right? But the way I put a spin on this was to start looking at it as my customer's journey. And by looking at it as a customer's journey, we can instantly increase the customer experience and therefore the conversions and lifetime value of our customers. So we're going to take a look at that right now as we dive into module 1, what is a sales funnel? So I'll see you there.